What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye 8231, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2021 Nissan Kick. So first thing you want to do is open the passenger door, and if you look here, this panel right here is the cover where the cabin filter is behind, what the cabin filter is behind. And so this is actually just snapped in. So the first thing you're going to do is work your way around unsnapping this from the vehicle. All right, all right, so now that we got the cover removed, if you look up under here, this white cover right here is going to be where the cabin filter is located. So here on the bottom, it's easy to see. There's a little lever here. You're going to push that lever up, and this whole cover is actually going to come off. See if I could do it while filming. It's pretty high up under the dash, so I'm going to do my best. All right, so once you get the little cover off, as you can see, there's just a little snap on here. Pushes up and it comes out, straight out. We're just gonna work the old filter out of its position. Now this is pretty tight in here, so you're gonna wanna make sure you try to do it with care and ease. But anyway, that's the old filter. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. So I'm gonna grab the new one and show you how to put it back in there. All right, so as you can see, I got the new cabin air filter. If you look at the top here, you've got the airflow arrow. Make sure that that is facing toward you, toward the driver of the vehicle. So that's the way that's going to want to work. Also, to get it back up in that little slot is pretty difficult. So one of the tricks you can do is actually collapse these. So they're accordion, so you can actually collapse them. And once you get them into position, so I'm just kind of slide this into position and let it go, it'll open up to its appropriate size for inside of the slide. Again, this is really tight here in the back, so I'm going to see what I can do about filming it while I put it in. So I'm going to do my best there. If not, you just take your time, make sure you get it worked into the right position, and then I'll show you how to put the cover back on. All right, so I used the accordion technique to get this one back in. As you can see, it is now back in its secured position, and I'm gonna go ahead and clip this clip back in like so. It literally just pushes right in and snaps. And then we're going to take the cover panel. We're going to reapply the cover panel in its appropriate position, making sure we get all the snaps in place. And that is it. That is how you change the cabin air filter on a 2021 Nissan Kick. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment with any questions you may have. Hit that thumbs up.